Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are in Melbourne, Florida. We are at Murphy RV. We're going to take a look at this residence style travel trailer. This is the 401 CLDL and it is made by Keystone. Now, as you can see from where Lisa's standing, you can see the entire side. This sucker is really big, and I hope from where you can take this in, you can understand it. There's tons of glass, lots of natural light that flows inside. As you can see, there's a really large awning that covers about 80% of the side. You've got two entries. One is the sliding glass door, as you can see. The other is your normal RV type door. And this does have manual stabilization jacks. So let's move around to the back. Okay, so around the back now, as you see, there is no ladder here. Okay, so you're not going to be climbing on the roof from here. You have an outdoor shower, black tank flush, city water connection. Your power is actually down there. There would normally be a door on top of that, so that got knocked off, but that's where your power is. Onto this side, back here in the very back, here's one of your sewer connections. Moving further up, there's another sewer connection about right where I'm standing. So it is underneath the slide. And this is locked. Let me open this up for you guys so we can see what's in there. So you have a nice storage compartment there.
Yeah, very nice.
All right, let's take a look at the weights, Lisa.
Okay.
This has a gross vehicle weight of 15,780 pounds. So you're going to need a pretty big rig to tow this, okay? And a cargo carrying capacity of nearly 3,000 pounds.
Wow.
Right?
Yeah.
Moving around to the front, you have a spot for two 30-pound propane tanks, a spot for one battery back there in the back. So that's it for the outside. Let's go to, and a manual jack to get it on and off your truck. I would have thought with something this heavy, maybe there's not a jack, an electric jack that can hold this weight.
You might be right.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Anyway, let's go look at the inside now. We want to thank Murphy RV for having us here today, and Chester and Josh. Thank you both so much. If you like this RV that you're seeing, make sure you give them a call, but tell them the tall man sent you. If you're calling them, the phone number is 321-727-2847. And again, remember, you tell them the tall man sent you. And look at this space as you come in here. Isn't this great?
Wow.
The height, right? It's real, and there's a reason why they call it a residence. It really has a residential feel. Okay, you see, you have a nice little sofa sectional, which actually looks really comfortable. So let's sit on this. Not bad at all. Love it. I could watch some TV here. Speaking of which, you can't see the TV. The TV's on a televator. It's right there in that compartment right there. You see that little lip? The TV comes right from there. Beneath the TV, you see the fireplace, which Lisa loves, so she can warm her freakishly tiny cold feet, and a JBL sound system. All right. And there's lots of things to see in here, so we will take our time. But this rolls right into the kitchen.
With this huge countertop. Now, this is solid surface, and as you can see, this is also your dining room.
Yeah.
Yes, you have 4 chairs. You have a large single basin sink with a tall faucet. Underneath this is a huge open space.
Oh, yeah.
So you can put just about anything under there. Now, behind me, we've got residential appliances. So you have a 4-burner stove. You've got an oven big enough to cook that turkey for Thanksgiving. A huge microwave. There's countertop space all over here. So
Love the cabinetry.
me too. Isn't that neat?
Detail in the doors. Right?
Yes, and above as well on the trim work.
All the wood.
So we've got some drawers here and some larger, deeper drawers here. We also have a nice residential refrigerator freezer.
Side by side,
Isn't
the
that
top,
nice? Yeah.
on the drawer pull on the bottom.
Right.
Nice.
Now, moving right along, we have this nice pantry. That is huge.
Let's give it the knock test, everybody. Woohoo! Solid as rock. You're a little net sucker up, and that's never going to smile at you.
Love it. And pet-friendly registers as well.
I believe all of Keystone's products now have these.
I think they do.
Yeah.
I believe they do, yeah.
Now, there's a massive loft up here, guys. A little sort of spiral stair unit up here. And they're sleeping on this side. They're sleeping on that side. There's power, USB. There's a spot to mount a TV up here. I mean, you could put the whole Little League baseball team up there, right? Crazy. It does have a maximum load capacity, though, 800 pounds, okay?
And there's some curtains up there too. They're open them up so you can get a little bit of light in here,
Yep.
but
You can close those off.
you can, yes.
Here's your controllers for opening slides and all your lights and things. It's right here behind this door. Speaking of doors, behind here is the master. Now it's a step down, right? And they cut that so someone my height, 6'4", isn't going to hit their head. But this even looks like a residential bed.
It does.
So let's get a measurement on it and see.
All right.
This is, no, 72.
Really?
Yeah, I'm shocked.
I am as well. I thought for sure.
72 by 80. Yeah, but I mean, it's an RV king, but
It looked like 76 by 80 to me.
I mean, it's 80. So, I mean, there's plenty of room for several people. It's really an RV king. So.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see if there's some storage underneath.
All right. I don't think there is. Wasn't that the outside storage? Yeah, it is to the outside. But you also have this little area here for when you want to use the inside storage.
Now, because there's this large bed, there are no nightstands. So the nightstands are up top. And as you can see, if she angles the camera up, there is power up there as well. So if you need dueling CPAPs, you can do that. Okay. Across from the bed, you have a dresser with 6 drawers. All right. If you want to mount a TV, I'm not sure where you do it. It would have to be here at the foot of the bed. There's no place else to put it. But normally they would have a mount TV, sort of thing here.
Well,
so maybe
you have your cable connection there.
So my guess is it goes here.
Yes.
Okay. So you would just have to have them attach it so it doesn't move when going down the road.
Yes, I would agree.
Now you have a normal residential type closet in here, right? Plenty of storage, lots of hanging.
And that is really wide as well.
It is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Really deep. All right, let's go towards the back, Lisa.
Okay.
There's another loft on the other side.
There is. Look at this.
Like I said, you can fit the entire Little League team in this thing.
Yes, I think so. So we have stairs that go up into this loft. And this is a really large space. Do you want to hand me your tape measure, or you want to
No, it's all right. No, it's fine. You can see that there's some cubbies up there in the front. There's another little cubby there. There's power up here as well, and the shades are down, so it looks a little bit darker than it normally would. But you could probably sleep, 2 adults, right? A couple, or several youngins up there, if you will, right?
I would agree. I do not see a weight
800 pounds
on this side. You think it's the same?
I read the sticker.
Okay.
It's right behind your butt.
Oh, is it? There it is.
You have your butt right there. See it right there. All right, what's behind here? Oh, you know what time it is.
It's time for Tallman's Toilet Test.
If this is your first time finding one of our videos, I am 6'4", so use my height as reference as we're walking around this giant residence RV. Also, do us a huge favor, hit the thumbs up button, consider subscribing, and become part of the Tall Man Clan. It is free to you, costs you absolutely nothing, really does help Lisa and I out, and we would sincerely appreciate it. Thank you. So I'm sitting on a porcelain foot flush toilet, and I don't even know why I'm doing this. So Shaq could fit on this thing. I mean, there's tons of leg room, tons of shoulder room in here, so definitely tall and fluffy approved. Across from me, you have this like L vanity with 2 vessel sinks on top with some cool faucets. The medicine cabinet in the corner is a corner cabinet, and your 2 mirrors are mounted straight to the wall. Underneath the sinks, there's 2 cabinets here and 4 drawers in the middle. All right. Behind Lisa is a spot for you to put your washer and dryer.
Oh my goodness, I love that.
Yep. So you can put a full-size stackable washer dryer.
Love that.
Okay. So here will be the big, of course, the door closed and you guys aren't going to see us now. Okay.
We're
so
we can't.
Lisa, why don't you come hold this from there? Because this will be the tricky part here.
All right.
Wow. I just fit, guys. I can put my hand, the width of my hand, in between my head and the ceiling. So you could not be any taller than 6'4" and stand in here. Okay. Outside of that, there's 3 shelves. There's a little bench. glass doors, as you can see. The shower head's a little bit low, but again, I'm assuming they're thinking no one my height is going to buy this thing because it's mounted a little bit low. But it would be okay. You just have to scooch down a little bit to scrub your hair, or you're going to be rubbing the top and getting that all nasty.
Or you could use the bench.
Or you can sit down and use the bench, right? Look, if this is a residence and I'm in here, I'm not going to want to sit on that. You know, it's just me. Would you guys want to do that if you were my height? If you're going to buy this and live in this thing full time, would you want to sit on that bench to take a shower every night? I don't know. You tell me. I know I wouldn't want to, but you know, if you're comfortable with it, that's great. Anyway, we'll look forward to reading your comments on that subject.
And it's only during when you're washing your hair.
Only when I'm washing my hair, I guess.
You're washing your hair.
Yeah, I don't know. Anyway, till we see you somewhere again on the road, be safe.